say the company does not properly authorize the credit limit, okay, or credit rate, standing credit of the customer, then the goods may be sold to a customer who is unable to pay. And while dispatching of goods, okay, if the key control does not exist, so goods may not be dispatched, damaged or incorrect good may be dispatched, the customer may not receive the goods. So that is the possibility, okay, or the potential of the material misstatement that going to happen when the key control does not exist. And for the accounting or recording of the procedure, the sales may not be invoiced, okay, if there are no goods control over the ordering and dispatching of goods, so the sales may not be invoiced. Okay, the possibility that the sales may not invoice is higher. Okay, invoicing error may occur, accounts may remain undue, or accounts may not be correctly updated. So that these are all the possible misstatement that happen when the key control of the accounting and recording procedure does not exist. So these are all the control activities, okay, of the sales system. Okay, so in terms of the ordering and control process, so you have to look at in terms of segregation of duties, authorization, okay, segregation of duties, credit control, invoicing and inventory dispatch. Okay, that is in terms of segregation of duties. Okay, credit, invoice and inventory should be done by different people. Okay, so this is the good control. So it cannot be done by one people, okay, because one people can manipulate the transaction. Okay, authorization of credit terms. So references or credit check, okay, should be obtained, okay, by the higher personnel. Okay, authorization by senior staff and regular review. So this is the independent check. Okay, independent check on performance. Okay. So any changes for customer data, okay, in other customer data. So if there is any changes, okay, in the master file or standing data, okay, so the changes of address supported by letterhead and request for deletion supported by evidence balance cleared or customer in liquidation. So must have properly authorized. So means that all changes made must be properly authorized. Credit limit confirmed before new orders are accepted. So it must be check also, okay, and approved. Sequential numbering. So this is what I said on the pre-numbered document, sequential pre-numbered document. Okay, blank order document, okay, try to avoid. Okay, matching of customer order with the production order and dispatch note. So what I said just now, okay, when they want to raise the invoice, okay, they have to match or compare or match the customer order with the production order and dispatch note. So that is in terms of the segregation, in terms of the ordering and credit control. So this is in terms dispatch and invoice preparation. Okay, you have to look at in terms of the authorization, recording, so and so on lah. Dia sama je control activities dia. This is control activities, okay, relates to the accounting and recording. So this is the example given. So I think after that you can read. Okay, and these are what the test of how you are going to perform the test of control. Okay, as what we done earlier before. So it must have the verb, okay, and nouns here. Okay, so this is the verb, this is the nouns. Okay, organization chart. and this is the objective. So actually verb is the procedures. Okay, nouns is the control activities, and nouns is the procedures to to be applied in order to achieve the control objective. Okay, so it's same. Okay, review organization chart and allocation of responsibility and assess whether the segregation of duties is operating. So this is the objective. Okay, verify if the verb. Verify that references are being obtained for a sample of new customer. Okay, by reviewing customer files. Okay, so this is the objective. References are obtained. So actually you can put in a normal sentence lah. Okay, you start with verb, nouns and objective. Okay, so I show you actually what you are going to do in the exam. Okay, this one. So this is the, can you see or not? Okay, I can. Can you see, class?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the stage on order place. Order place. So this is the risk is the possible misstatement that going to happen. So kita tengok dulu what is the control objective. So control objective is to ensure that the goods and services are only supplied to customer with good credit rating. So this is the control objective, to ensure. So when you perform the word the sentence for control objective, so you have to start with to ensure. To ensure that the goods and services are only supplied to customer with good credit rating. So what the control should exist? So this is the control activities that should exist. Okay, conduct a credit check on all new customer prior to the accepting an order. So credit check, proper authorization. Okay, on the new customer prior to accepting an order. The credit check should be undertaken by someone separate from the sales department. So someone separate from the sales department. So means that it should be done by the admin. Okay, admin department, not sales department. Okay, once accepted, new customer should be given a credit limit. This should be reviewed regularly. So this is what the control should exist. Okay, control yang sepatutnya ada in the system. So in terms of credit checking, and then in terms of the credit check, and then should be done by should have the segregation of duties and must have proper approval and reviewed regularly. So this is the control that should exist. If the control does not exist, so this is the risk that an order is accepted from and goods order is accepted from and goods dispatched to a customer who is not creditworthy. So if the customer, if the company send the goods to the customer who is not creditworthiness, so what is the impact? Okay, what is the possible impact? Okay, the possible impact, the possibility of the customer not able to pay the debt is higher. So it will have potential to the bad debt to increase. So this is the possibility of the risk when the goods dispatched to the non-credit worthiness customer. So this you have to think. So you have to think on the possible impact to the material misstatement. So this what you have you should put in your letter of internal control. Okay, what is the possible misstatement if the control does not exist? If this control does not exist. So how you perform the test? So this is the test of control, okay, performed by the auditor. Okay, inspect. Inspect is the verb. Inspect a sample of new customer accounts to ensure that credit check or references were obtained before the order was accepted. So this is the test of control procedures performed by the auditor. So inspect is the verb. Sample of new customer accounts, okay, is the noun. And to ensure that the credit check or reference were obtained before the order was accepted. So this is the objective. So this is what the auditor do. For a sample of customer accounts, attempt, okay, to process an order that will take a customer over their credit limit to determine whether the order is rejected. So this actually auditor do, okay, in the audit. So they take for a sample of customer account, because you have inspect, okay, you need to inspect. So this is the audit procedure in the audit program. So this appear in the audit program. Okay, so what is the auditor do? Okay, for a sample of customer accounts, attempt, okay, to process an order that will take a customer over their credit limit to determine whether the order is rejected. So you have to attempt. So this is you do the dummy, okay, in the system, in the company system. So you have to use the test data. Okay, test data approach. So this is what you have done before. So this is the application part. So in the test data approach, okay, the auditor, okay, take a few samples and attempt to process an order that will take a customer over their credit limit. So they create a dummy transaction. Okay, and then determine whether the order is rejected or not. So that is how the system is, how the auditor do the test of control procedure. Okay. Any question, class?
No.
Okay. So I already share this this slide in the Google Classroom. Have you looked at this slide?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. I want you to read the rest of the procedures. Okay, read the rest of procedures. Okay, after this we try to do one question. Okay, read now. Okay, 9:30. Okay, we stop first. Okay, after you finish, then we stop first, and then we continue with the exercise on these procedures, because this is the application. So you must thoroughly understand the first part, okay, for the sales system. Then for the next one is follow the same thing. Okay, so please read the rest of the slide. Okay, 6 you still have the second one. Okay, so this one, read all this one. Okay, 7, 8, 9. Okay, read now. If you have any question, then you You jot a note first, and after this we discuss. Okay, boleh class?
Boleh.
Okay, this is only application kita tak ada belajar benda baru dah. Semua ini adalah application saja. Okay, so start read and discuss now. Okay, if you don't understand, you can refer to your text to 2.1, okay, 2.2, 2.1 control objective, 2.2 control activities, 2.3 test of control. That one is summary. I summarize in terms of the table. Okay, class? Done? Is it done?
Done.
Done. Okay. Any question? We go slide by slide. Start with slide number 6. Any question for slide number 6? Slide number 6. Any question for the second line? Second row lah. Second row ni. This is the first row, second row, this row. Those have the problem should ask. Jangan malu-malu So nanti you tak boleh jawab exam. Just ask me because your friend do not know what you don't understand. Only you know what you don't understand. Okay, line number 2 okay? Line number 3?
Okay.
Okay So if okay, then I proceed to the dispatch of goods. So this is the risk when the control does not exist. What's go wrong tadi tu? Inilah dia. What goes wrong? This is the risk. This is the control objective, control activities dia and test of control. Any question?
No.
Okay, good. Clear lah ni, pandai semua ni. Good receipt, good invoice and recorded. So this is the business process for the goods invoice and recorded. Okay?
Madam,
Yes.
tak faham yang row yang second tu, yang control.
Second, this one. That invoices are posted to the wrong customer account. Betul? Okay.
Yes.
So that invoices, okay, if the invoice should not okay, tengok kat control activity dia. Periodically review customer account for any unpaid amount. Send statement to customer on a monthly basis. So this is the control review objective dia. So periodically review. So maksudnya kalau dia tak buat regular and send statement to the customer account on a monthly basis. So bila kita nak achieve this objective that you ensure that the invoice are posted to the correct customer account, so you have to look at to the company control system, control activity whether the company has done the is the customer code. Kalau kita tak ada hantar, kalau company tak hantar monthly statement, so you might invoice the wrong person, okay, the wrong customer account. Okay, the company might invoice the wrong customer account. So in order to avoid invoices to wrong customer account, okay, the company should do the customer regularly review the customer accounts, customer account receivable, okay, and then look into the unpaid amount, okay, sebab kalau company ni, okay, tak hantar statement, okay, every month, so the company will not able to detect, okay, which customer does not pay their you buat SQL, you ada aging schedule kan? Yang ada customer, lepas tu monthly ikut month tu. Okay, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, apa? I ingat aging schedule tapi dalam SQL dia tak tahu pun. Anyone remember? Anyone remember? Class? Are you with me? Tak ada.
Macam
Betul.
adik.
Adalah. Ada you check customer ni, you dalam report aging schedule dalam account receivable. Okay, kalau you buat dalam SQL ni, so dengan kat sini. Balance due, one month dia ada interest. Okay, so that's why yang ni kena check regularly ni. The company should periodically review and send statement on the monthly basis. So lepas sebulan, 2 bulan, 3 bulan ada statement hantar. So in order to avoid posting to the incorrect customer account. You invoice, that invoices are posted to the wrong customer account, okay, if it is not periodically reviewed. Look at to the test of control. Review customer correspondence file for evidence. Correspondence files ni, any letter. Okay, letter you send. Reminding letter, bukan you lah, company send. Okay, reminding letter. Okay, reminder letter. Okay, you tengok. Dalam file dia, ada tak reminder letter for the unpaid accounts ni. Sebab itu dia kata send statement to customer on a monthly basis. Okay, monthly basis should send the customer to the customer on the invoice statement. Okay, actually dia bukan invoice statement. Apa panggil dia? Account receivable statement. Okay, account receivable statement. Okay, so account receivable statement ni actually this one. Okay, it's come from the aging schedule. So it stated, okay, the balance due by the customer. Okay, balance